Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about Solo. Why? Because Solo is one of my investments and I really like the company and I want to make a video on it. So we're going to be talking about Solo deliveries, when they're coming. I'm going to let the CEO talk a little bit and then I will continue with the video.
And anticipating that the first vehicles will be here sometime around the middle of the November time period, and hopefully we'll be putting the keys into the hands of people who've been waiting anxiously on our waiting list sometime around Thanksgiving.
They plan to deliver it into the middle of November. Right now we're in the middle of October and we are having the presidential election on November 3rd. So if the presidential election is over and the stock market hasn't crashed and it's continuing to move up, I think Solo stock could explode to the upside in a big way, in my opinion. So, for now, I think Solo stock would just trade sideways. But right now the stock chart does look very, very bullish. So I don't know, I really don't know where Solo stock will ultimately go, but just looking at from a charting perspective, decent volume, stock seems very bullish right now, healthy pullback, RSI is not oversold, MACD is bullish, the stock chart looks bullish, and there's going to be a golden cross here very soon, so we'll see what happens, we'll see where investors push the stock price, but from a charting perspective, it looks bullish. And deliveries are in November 13th, so I'm holding on to the stock even though there could be a possible stock market crash. I'm going to hold on regardless, because I really like the company, I really believe in the company, and I have a lot of cash set aside if this stock price crashes in the after the presidential election to $1 or below $2, I'll buy more because I really believe in this company and I'm going to load the boat if this thing drops below $2. So that's my plan moving forward. You guys can do whatever you want, but I don't think, right now it looks bullish. I don't think the stock price is going down. I think any pullback is an opportunity. Like today, I bought some call options on Electrameccanica because I was bullish on it. I mean, I didn't buy any stock. I just bought some call options. So, long-term call options. The options that expire on, I believe, November 20th. So that's still quite a bit away. This would be before the deliveries. I'm going to slowly buy call options every pullback. So we'll see where this goes. But I'm bullish and I'm going to be holding those options until for a long time. I'm not going to just sell them out. I'm just going to keep adding to these options as the stock price pulls back. So we'll see where Solo goes, but that's my plan. I'm not going to buy any more stock. I'm going to be buying options on it. So the SPY right now is green. Not too much to say about that. GameStop is up 5 cents after hours. Diamond Peak Holdings is up 42 cents after hour. Workhorse stock is up 20 cents after hours. Tesla is up 32 cents, down 32 cents. Tesla could be a really big buying opportunity, but personally, it's just the return on investment is just not worth it. Because think about it, right? If Tesla had a $800 billion market cap, you would only double your money and people would call it extremely overvalued. That's why I'm not touching Tesla. Tesla is like a trade, really. Unless Tesla pulls back significantly, it's a trade. It's a trade, in my opinion only. But hey, I'm not a financial advisor. You can buy it here and sit here long term. But if Tesla was valued at $1 billion, you would only double your money. The people who really made money are the people who bought when it was cheap, when the stock price was like 100, like when the stock price was 60 or $70 US. That's the people that are really making the monies every time the stock price goes up. The people that buy here are not making big money. They are transferring their wealth to the people who bought over here, or even even worse, people who bought at like five to $4. Those are the people that are making the monies, not the people that are buying right here. No, you're transferring your wealth to the other people, in my opinion, like Jeremy. Neo stock pulled back a little bit after hours. It's overbought right now. I think it should have a significant pullback, but hey, I don't control the markets, but I still think that the stock price is going to pull back to around $26, $25 in the near future here. My opinion only, not financial advice. Arcimoto is up 4 cents. Blink after hours is up at 11 cents. Switchback Energy is down 15 cents after hours. Kensington Capital Acquisition, neutral. PIC, so much for this as an investment. Good thing I bailed out of this one. I like sold out, like it just kept moving down and it looked kind of pathetic, and I was like, this is boring. So I decided to just sell out, use that money on GameStop, and GameStop is paying off right now. Trine is down 13 cents, not too much to say about that. Walt Disney is up 19 cents. Netflix is increasing the Netflix pricing, and Disney is I just canceled my Disney Plus because I've already watched everything on Disney Plus, and like I literally watched almost everything on Disney Plus. It's you know, it's crazy. All the Star Wars stuff, all the Pixar stuff, all the like everything. I watched almost everything except for maybe the National Treasure, like the wildlife stuff. I didn't watch that, but I basically watched almost everything. Not everything, but almost everything. Like all the movies. But yeah, so especially the Disney movies. Disney makes good movies. That's what I gotta say. You know, like I really think they did. So Man just released earnings. I don't know how the market is going to treat Madman stock, but you know, pretty good metrics. Gross margin 40%, same as High Tide. Just pointing that out. You know, revenue was decent. They did lose money of $23.3 million for the fourth quarter compared to a loss of $26.1 million on the previous quarters. So they need to flip a profit really bad if they want the stock price to go up. We'll see what big money would big money treat their stock price tomorrow. But yeah. Suncor is I don't know why I have Suncor up here, but I might make a video on the weekend about Suncor, maybe. I don't know yet. Still deciding. Sundial Growers just looks so sad right now. Hexo is down 26.5 cents. High Tide should like just buy out Sundial Growers and then just like get them to ship directly to High Tide to increase their margins or something like that. I don't know. Sundial Growers have some growing asset. If High Tide acquired all Sundial Growers, they would essentially acquire some cash. On top of the cash, they would acquire their growing assets, which would increase High Tide's margins because they would sell Sundial Growers, and every product Sundial grows they sell, they get higher margins for it because they grow it themselves. I don't know. I think could be a good combination. Green Power Motor Company is holding up but looks bearish. We'll see where this goes. Yeah. Liberal health science down a penny today. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.